Every year, millions of people walk through museums like this, standing in front of centuries-old artifacts with nothing but a small label, no context, no story, no one to ask. We built MuseAI, a real-time AI guide powered by Gemini Live. No app to install, just scan a QR code to get started. Point your camera at any exhibit. Gemini recognizes it instantly and the conversation begins.
The Dong Ho folk painting, Baby Holding Carp, is one of the most iconic congratulatory pieces.
Okay, tell me what material the picture made from.
It's fascinating how it's made. The painting is hand-printed on Jai-Diep paper, which is made from crushed mollusk shells that give it a natural shimmer. The colors are
Stop.
also
Tell me why the boy holding the fish.
That's a really important part of the painting. The carp symbolizes prosperity, academic success, and perseverance, stemming from the legend of the carp leaping the Dragon Gate. The
Rồi
chubby
tôi hiểu rồi, bây giờ chuyển sang tiếng Việt đi. Ý nghĩa của bức tranh ấy là gì? Ý nghĩa của bức tranh là gì?
Chào bạn, bức tranh Em bé ôm cá chép mang ý nghĩa chúc tụng sâu sắc của người Việt Nam. Hình ảnh em bé mũm mĩm thể hiện ước mơ về sự sung túc, khỏe mạnh, con đàn cháu đống.
MuseAI runs on Gemini Live API. We tested this at the Vietnam Museum of Ethnology, exhibit recognition in under 2 seconds. This is MuseAI, powered by Gemini.